You're doing some stretching? Okay.
Yeah, doing stretching, lots of stretching.
BB, so BB off the table. Okay, facing down for me. Nice. You alright?
Yeah.
A little bit crunchy. Okay, to the left side. Rotate. Pretty good. So it's just some muscle tightness and also some restriction in the joint. So the chem test is for the facet joint strain. So some people, if they get the facet jamming, you will feel the pain. Good. A little bit here. Nice. Elbow in, head down for me. Relax. Take deep breathing. Breathe out and look up. Nice.
There we go.
Ooh.
Amazing. Nice. Felt like I could touch my toes.
Oh no, baby, stop. Calm down.